guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is currently early in the morning. It's super early, but I want to get up because I need to start waking up early anyway. So I am going to be doing a really cute pink look because Valentine's Day is almost here. It's next Tuesday, I believe, right? Or yeah, next Tuesday. The Tuesday coming up, yeah. So I was like, let's do pink and this is to get cute today. So let's get ready to. So I am ready to fix this. I'm ready to get cute. It's time. You know, I love not wearing makeup, but I love wearing makeup at the same time. So I'm gonna start. We're doing brows today, right? So I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna get my brow palette. I'm gonna use the light brown color because I don't like doing my eyebrows too dark. There is a thing of too dark, especially depending on like how you like your brows. But I'm gonna do mine just light brown. And I think I'm still just gonna be like natural, and I'm just gonna like fill me into like where the gaps are in my brows because I have a few. Because my eyebrows are growing back, and I'm still like babying them back to how they were. You know what's crazy? They was doing good at first. I was like, and I was at home. I raised them and it was back normal, but then I got cocky and started over arching them, and that's what I get, y'all. That's what I get. So I'm gonna finish filling my brows in because you know you just sometimes it take a while. Don't worry about if you're having a hard time with your brows. It take a while to get exactly what you want. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows. I filled them in. I used concealer, Pro LA Girl concealer, the color Cool Tan for my eyebrows because I have to clean them up under. That's what you use concealer for. Then I set it with my powder. So now I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow. I'm using two different eyeshadows because they're both really bright and I really want to get a good pink. I'm also thinking about bejeweling if I want to bejewel, but I do kind of want to because it's like, it's really cute and Valentine's Day is all about cuteness. So I'm gonna get my brush and we're gonna go in. I always use this palette when I'm going really bright because y'all know me. Then I'm gonna add this one, which I did before. The Levy Dun Prince. I really hope I said it right because I love him and I don't know how to I really forget how to pronounce it. But this one as well, the pink up in here. So let's go. This color is really pretty. I love digging into this color because it's so pigmented, y'all. Look at that. Very pigmented. So let me get my, actually might get my mirror right here. And when you're doing a good tip, just to make sure y'all know how to get bright colors, use concealer, or you could use just an eyeshadow base, which they do have those. You can get it in like liquid. It'd be like a concealer, or it'll be like white. A lot of people use white to get a really bright color. I used it before, but it didn't work. That's why I use concealer, which works perfectly. And I'm gonna like throw this up on this lid, y'all. Like his eyeshadow is so soft. And I'm just putting it over it. So I thought of this at the very last minute, so I'm gonna go in and take my 35T Sweetest palette, and I'm gonna use my blending brush. I'm gonna blend a light color with this. I'm gonna use Such a Flirt because it's not like bright at all, but it is like a pink. It's like a powder pink. Okay guys, now that we have the pink done, I'm just brushing the color off. Well, brushing the fallen color. Now, we're gonna go in with our eyeliner. I use liquid eyeliner. I'm looking, it's like a surgical table. I got so much stuff in front of me, y'all. I'm gonna do my liner. I always do my liner. You can easily do this last, but I do this earlier because it has time to dry. One thing I hate about eyeliner is that when you mess up, especially with liquid, say you want to do like a thin liner, but you actually go higher, so you like, unless you fix it, it's just, you get it. It's a mess sometimes. Also, my right eye is the easiest to do than my left eye. Okay guys, so I got through my liner for the first time. I did not mess it up. So now we're going to get into the rest of this face. I'm going to start with foundation. I used the 355 Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the only foundation I use, but like I always say, I'm still trying to figure out and try a new one, which I need to go get what matches my skin. So I need to take a trip to Sephora one day. So I'm going to put this all on my face and I already moisturized my face before I did all this. And we're just going to blend this around. So now I'm gonna go with my own concealer. I use Toffee and Fawn. What is this color? Toffee, yes. Pro LA Girl Concealer is the best because it's really thick. And you need a really good thick concealer. You do not want like a loose, like a thin concealer, guys. Concealer is meant to conceal. It fixes everything. It's better than foundation because you put it on after your foundation. Some people might be like, why don't you just put on concealer? That's not possible. You need foundation. You can easily put on concealer that fix like a blemish, but like when you're doing a full face, it helps because your base is your foundation, like a base of a house, and then your concealer is everything around it. It fixes it. That's a good way to explain that too. So I'm just gonna blend this all in, and I'm happy because I was trying to get the pink out, so the concealer would definitely do that, so you don't have to worry about it by your under eye. Okay guys, so I already set my concealer, I used my powder, I blended it all out, we're ready to go. So I'm really annoyed that I'm getting a sniff, and I'm like, where is this coming from? I was breathing perfectly yesterday. I think it's this weather, y'all, because it's cold. So I'm gonna use my dark contour. I'm just going around my face, y'all. And there are a lot of people who, you know, just do the powder and don't do everything else. I don't need to do everything else. I'm okay with what I'm doing. Some people might be like, some people might be like, it don't even like, you can't even tell. If you do makeup, you tell. That's all I'm saying. So we're gonna go in with our blush because it's all about Valentine's Day. We need blush. If I can find my palette. So I just got stuff everywhere. Okay. I'm gonna go with my light pink. Or actually I might go with the coral because it's like I'll mix the two. So quick question. What are your like top five, you guys' five top favorite shows? Favorite top five shows. That's a good way to put it. I'll say mine. I have been watching a lot of stuff recently, but I'm like, so if y'all don't know me by now, I am a big older, like I love older shows. So my top five would be Dawson's Creek, cause I started watching that and finished that like so fast because I was just binge watching it like last semester, 2 semesters ago. So yeah, Dawson's Creek, that 70s show. ER, because I'm just now watching it. I'm on season 7. No offense, so much better than Grey's Anatomy to me. Um, huh. Friends, and then Sabrina the Teenage Witch. Those are my top five. Actually, I kind of want to take out that 70s shows because I love it, but I like older shows, even though it is an older show. But I'll replace that 70s show with That's So Raven. Yeah, I've been watching so much like just nostalgia stuff, but I've loved That's So Raven. I was watching it yesterday. I got Disney Plus. And I love Dawson's Creek. That would be my favorite. I love that show. So, what are yours? So now that we did the blush, y'all, I am going to go with my under eye. I'm going to take that same pink, if I can find the brush from that palette. It's on here still. And I am looking for something, my mirror. I'm going to go under my eye. And I'm just going to fill it under it. I don't have to put anything else on it because it's already product on here. And that's all I'm doing. Okay guys, so I finished my under eye. Y'all know what the most annoying thing is? It's like when you're trying to like make a video and everything just start happening. So I turned off my projector because it's really loud. I don't want that in my videos. Then I hear I forgot I had my window up and I can't like shut it because I got all this stuff on my desk and it's behind the desk. So I have like you hear the cars going by. And then when I got the sound going out and I wait till a car go by, my light color changed to like a white, bright white. I'm like, oh my God, so I gotta fix that. Then when I fix that, I hear my fridge going, and I'm like, y'all, that's why I be cutting a lot of stuff because I don't like that sound in the video. So now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. And I'm trying to see, I really do want to add some jewels. I think I have some hearts, so I'm gonna have to check. I think I have hearts, guys. So I am gonna finish my face. I'm gonna set my face, do my eye. Actually, I need to set my face before I do this, so I need to stop what I'm doing. I'm gonna set this because I'm not doing nothing else to this. And I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna do my lashes, mascara, lashes, jewels, and you guys will see the finished look. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. Let me get closer for you. It turned out really cute. It's very light, very airy, very pink, very pretty. So I added the gold in the corner, guys, just to add a little more shimmer to it. I added my bigger jewels because I love them. I didn't want to do like too many. That's why I did like one big jewel, and it turned out perfectly. If you want to know where I got these jewels, I got them from Amazon for like $8. It was like $7. I think it was like $8. I got 8 for 10,000 jewels. So you really can't beat this, y'all. These are really cute. You could bedazzle your face up however you want. I was gonna put some in my brows, but I didn't want to overdo it. I was like, let me just stick to what I'm doing. Earrings, I got these from Shein actually, and this was the one that came together. So they're two different ones, and it was in a pack. So don't judge me. I love how these look. So very simple look, guys. I wanted to do this before Valentine's Day because I don't know if I'm going to film that day. Just don't know. I'm still making a schedule of what I'm going to do and how I'm going to start recording, but just trying to get it all together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IamTatianaGreen. Go check out my blog, Brown Skin Girl, all in the description. The links all in the description below. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, beautiful people.